and we must go the people to get the leadership. Your Excellency, we want to welcome you and the first daughter, Natasha Karugire. Thank you for accompanying the President, and our best regards, Mama, when you go back. Your Excellency, the program is going to be brief because time is of essence. But before I invite the other speakers, allow me to introduce the senior leaders who are here, Your Excellency. We have the SEC members. We have the Right Honorable Anita Aneti Among, the second National Female Chairperson and Speaker of Parliament. We also have the Right Honorable Robin Nabanja, the Prime Minister of the Republic of Uganda. We have Engineer Jordan Asimwe, National Vice Chairperson, Western Region. Honorable Adrien Kobusinje, Women's League Chairperson. We have Major Shafiki Mwanje, Persons with Disability Chairperson. We have Mr. Tanga Collins, Chairperson for Youth League. We have Dr. Tanga Odoi, NRM Electoral Commission Chairperson. Your Excellency, we also have members, the senior members of government. We have Honorable Grace Mugasa, Minister of State for Public Service. We have Honorable Mukama Fred, the man of the 4-acre model and Minister of State for Transport. Honorable Evelyn Anite, State Minister for Investment. We have Honorable Jennifer Namuyangu, Omuwara Babanyoro, and Minister of State for Bunyoro Affairs. And Honorable Baram Barugahare, the Minister for the Young People. Thank you very much for coming. Your Excellency, we also have some senior leaders. We have Nzaide Kaguta, former Chairman NRM Kiruhura. Your Excellency, we also have Owobushobo Zibisaka. Your Excellency, we also have the flag bearers for Hoima. We have Honorable Bategeka Ronald, Hoima West, Princess Diana Mugenyi, flag bearer, woman member of Parliament. We have Honorable Yakutaga Donald for Hoima East, and Brian Kaboyo, the flag bearer for mayor. Your Excellency, we have here the districts and the city, and these are the flag bearers from the district. Honorable Pius Wakabi and Wembabazi Beatrice and Dr. Kasigwa Gerald and Savannah Vincent for LC5. We have members of Parliament who are here. They will be recognized at the appointed time. May I take this opportunity to invite the chairperson of NRM for the city and for the Hoima district to come and give a summary of your memorandums.
NRM oye! Kaguta oye! Museveni oye! Wow! Hoima oye! The stadium oye! The oil and the gas oye! The National Chairman, NRM, His Excellency Kaguta Yoweri Museveni. Webale kuja kiki, hanu ni homba chairman wa site. Abantu banu bona bayizire okutangira. Right Honorable Speaker, Prime Minister, and my fellow SEC members, inywena mbatangirire musite. Mwebale kuija okumbungiraho. Nzeire Kaguta webale kuija kumbungiraho. Omukama owobusobozi webale kuija okutubungiraho. Natasha webale nsemereire muno oli basire na nyowe mu Western kandi na mama omunda mukize. Mama wanga ali hanu Mbabazi Grace webale naiwe kuba party of Women League. Adrini nkusaba mama wange ali mu group yawe omufeoga webale muno. Nkusaba chairman wa district okozese edakika isatu 180 seconds. Deni nyowe na nyonje mbazeho twete speaker kandi arayeta abandi tugendo maiso habo bwire.
NRM oye! Museveni oye! Hoima oye! Savannah oye! Waitu President Owehangalinu, Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament who is with us here, the Prime Minister Akiki Majegere, Nyakuli agati yaitu, ba MPs bona banyakuli hanu, flag bearers, protocol observed. White President Amabara Neiraka Savannah Vincent Muhumuza Atuoki, Chairman NRM Hoima District, Kandi LOC5 flag bearer 2026-2031. White President tukutwara mwanya guno gwokutangira webale kuija mu Hoima District stroke Hoima City. Kandi ninyenda no kutangira abantu bona abanyakuizire haralenu eyamani obo ntulinda ebi byona ebitutungire omyaka 39. White President binga ebitutungire nka Hoima District oil and gas tutungire projects nyingi muno gamba nka Kabalega International Airport, Kabale Industrial Park, mini refinery, hamune ebintu byona ebinyakuli mu area egyo. Tukubikusimira webale muno President waitu. White President ntuongera kusima habwa bilioni emu eyiwatuhaire okutandika kuombeka district headquarters. Bilioni ege katukonyera baitu kakibenti bile kyali nkoto tukusima tutainaho garukira. Kandi ni manyo myaka 5 ojja kuba no tuongera tumalire ekyombeke ekyo. Ntukusima habwa regional blood bank eitutungire kandi ekutusavinga omukiweka kinu ekya Hoima district na Bunyoro okutwaliza hamu. Ebyamaizi White President tukurubata bwire bunu ntugamba tulombu kiweka nsanju na buna kakibente bikiweka ebimuti bikatungire baitu nimanyira kimuntu omyaka 5 tuija kuba ntutunga amaizi agakutumara. PDM kuruga tuwatandikire bilioni 16 ne milioni kienda tata tubibaire ntuitunga nka district. Omumyoga bilioni 2 nazo tukaitunga kandi sako zikuingana 15 nsanju na 5 nazo zikaifuna. Youth livelihood bilioni 4 kichiweka White President tukagitunga kandi obo tuteberwe na uwep milioni 708. White President ebirunge bitutungire bingi baitu tuwatunga mu challenges ntaito. Challenge number 1 owekitinisa President erinsonga eyeitaka kutandikira omwigombora lya Kapapi, Bombo sub county, Buraru hamune bichiweke bindi. halokutaliba na kuamani muno abataka hamu nabo abanyakwine ebyapa mbala abantu bawe White President mbali bali abantu bawe bakubingwa bukeire bwizire abantu abaine byapa nitusaba White President ensonga eno ogitahemu nuko abantu bawe basobole kuikara kurungi hamataka gabo. White President tuine ensonga ya NFA emitano ya NFA tekumanywa kurungi kandi abantu beyongeiro bwingi nitusaba White President emitano ege kingurwe kurungi kandi obukiraba kisobokere tulole nti ebichweka bimutu wabigarura abantu habwo bwekulembezi bwawo burungi abantu bakeyongero bwingi. White President hansonga yeitaka nkahoima district nitusaba ebyapa ebyakasenta kataito abantu bawe bakwende byapa baite sente ezibakutusaba titukusobola kuprocessinga land titles ituwenka. White President Kitoba sub-county eyuwafoire municipality haliye kyobulimi ekikugaigaza azabantu ha speed ya mani niye koko tukusaba White President omukikaro kyokuikara ntutunda obukoko beans otutungira yo factory nuko tutandike ku exportinga chocolate nerugira mu Kitoba sub-county obutugenda hanyanja. White President tuina ebizibu gamba nkabasajja bakuruga Kongo nibaija nibanyaga injini za mato nebitimba kandi ebintu ebyo bakubitwara bakutusaba sente nyingi na bilioni emeyi watuhaire nesobora butatugasa habwa abasajja bakuruga Kongo. Ntusaba White President ebyokwerinda hamutano gwaitu gwa Lake Albert byongerwemu amani. White President ninyongera okukusaba ntukusigikira hoima nkwekurakurana kigorobya nka kaunti obukikuba kisobokere ebe considered okutembebwa ha district status. White President nimaliriza nti Bunyoro hoima mbaleri kiri kichweka ekikurakurana tukusaba omusobozi bwawe okideclaringe as economic zone mbale misoro takusasura ekiratuletereza kutunga abamusigansimbi bayingi nuko kichweka kyaite kya Bunyoro na hoima kutwaliza hamu kisobole kuba nikikurakurana. President nsigaire ndi Savannah Vincent kandi flaga beyara hantebe yakatana agenda akora naiwe omyaka 5 enu eitugenda kutandika. NRM oye! Museveni oye! Savannah oye!
Atogwa bahire chairman wa district. NRM oye! Kaguta oye! Hoima City oye! Hati nyowe kamanze mbasabe abalenyi moko mukumpura mubanze mugumisirize nyine kata kabalize toruga munju abakuli batali batamulinde nyine kagenda kubaletera entanda yaye so manze mugumisirizeho tusoke tumalirize. Memo yange eri ombugufu kandi ebisomeibwe district bikwatagana na Hoima City. Nyongenda kusima abamobiliza bona mwebale muno okuba ni mwenda His Excellency. Ekinte kindabazaho kijja kuba muno ekya Industrial Park. Amasite gona gakuzire His Excellency abana bakwenda akora kandi abana bakwenda kuba part of the development of the country. Byone binyandisomere muno ebya PDM byono kubimanya memo ngenda kuba ningi presentinga haliwe na mberoli kyonka nkusaba oteko amani kandi o directinge aba abadiringa with industrial parks ngutukwenda abayusa abaingi bano abali mu cities basobole kutandika okuba bayinaho ekibakora nikyo kimu na PDM ebeho nebaganizibwamu n'ebintu bindi nka ICT nikwo tulole abaana bali idle basobole kuba part of the development. Nkusaba leka nyete second national vice IJ abaze kandi asobole okukweta mbaire nyina bingi baito bwire nyowe bontwara kubi bairaba amotija otangira kiki oba otangire na majegere tusobole kuba nitutangira His Excellency waitu Kaguta oye, Museveni oye, Anita oye, Jonadi oye. Ebiro byokwezi 15 nkwenda tukome kikofira ojagenda baroti oja kusanga ho muzeyi na Asmairinga aine kikofira oye.
Mukama wange President na inywena abaizire hano bantu ba Mukama inywena Hoima oye, Bunyoro oye, bantu ba Mukama ekindesire hano nizire kwongera habusagiki bwa muzeyi. Bantu ba Mukama mumanyire President muri atuhihire nkabunyoro, mumanyire President muri atutekereza hazino kandi kubasaba betulaba ntwenda kweyongerayo muleke tukomeyo weri Kaguta Museveni twena abaramukoma barabantu ba Mukama muhanike kitambara. Mukama wange President ekyakabiri nkwenda kusima habwokuba okatuwa obusobozi nk'abakazi ba Uganda. Abakazi oye, hanu nyina Speaker Mulamba mukazi na Nyowandu Prime Minister, the first female Prime Minister of Uganda, omwana wa hanu Bunyoro. Bunyoro oye, muzeyi nyowo iro kusabira akaruru nkubasa banywenka ijjaira hanu twikani tukora enteekaniza nyingi njagaruka leka tulekere muzeyi chance atumwa omukisa kubaza inywena muntu ha muntu kigere ha kigere bapa ha bapa boda ha boda liso ha liso tusaula akaruka Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'abaina fulaga bona Mukama abalinde. Enaraboye raise your flags.
Agamba bakweda wekitinsa President mwemuke flag. Haiguru.
Raise your flags. Your Excellency, we want to welcome you. We want to recognize all the religious leaders who are here. We also want to recognize Wabu Sobozi. Your Excellency, as people of Hoima, we want to thank you so much for the stadium that you have put up in this place.
Right Honorable Asimiro Wekitinsa President Habebirungi byakolire Bunyoro.
And that is the only best stadium that we have in Uganda.
Ntikisaye kitwine kyompira nikyo kikusingayo omu Uganda.
Your Excellency, it is also prudent that we upgrade the Hoima Referral Hospital to be able to host AFCON in Hoima.
Asabire kurora irwaro lyaitu lya Refaro rundi lino lya Boma baliongeroho niko lisobole kuyamba n'abagenya bagenda kuija omupira 2027.
We want to thank you for lobbying for AFCON and bringing it to Hoima.
Akusima Wekitinsa President abokuteka mamani kurora nti AFCON rundo mpira gwa Africa gwizire mu Uganda kandi hano mu Hoima City mu Bunyoro.
And we want to thank you for the pledge that you have made that you're going to support the people with the hotels to upgrade from staff 4 to staff 5.
Nekindi akusima Wekitinsa President abukakaikiriza aja kuyamba aba hoteli baitu nezindi okuraza agenda mutindo gwa iguru ha 5 star rundi ha 4 star.
We want to thank you for the Bunyoro University.
akusima wekitinisa President habwa Bunyoro University terage engaro.
We also want to thank you for the old roads. If you see the roads in this place, you'd never believe that it is in Uganda.
Akusima murundo gundi habwa engudo eza mafuta eziterekeze Bunyoro buli hamuhona hato kwikao ola muhanda murungi ogwa kolasi.
We want to thank you for the Kabarega International Airport.
Akusima wekisaye kyenyonyi ekiwakweta Kabarega International Airport ekiri Kabale Buseruka.
Yes,
District.
Your Excellency, you have also put in NDP4 the construction of the regional coffee analytical lab, which is going to be based in Hoima.
Akusima na laboratories ezigenda kubani waletwa hano mu Bunyoro kandi eziteiroho engaro.
You have also put in the NDP4 the construction of a regional medical laboratory. It is still going to be based in Hoima.
Nabo agamba aroho regional medical laboratory runda abatesingira nayo genda kuombekwa hano mu Bunyoro kandi wekitinisa President ayagitera hamana. And
now the road from Busunju Kiboga Hoima is ongoing.
No muhanda kuruga Busunju Kiboga paka hano musite gugarukwamu kubaguligwa omutindo.
People of Hoima, I want you to clap hands for President for all the things he has done.
Akusaba terengaro za amani muno owekitinisa President kumusima abwe bintu ebi.
We used to move from Kampala to Hoima and you'd finish a whole day. Now you finish only 2 hours.
Wuli twarugaga hanu genda Kampala ntumare kilo kiona baitu hati tukumara saha ibiri nekitweka zonka.
Your Excellency, thank you for the Kampala Hoima Express because it is on the National Development Plan, 203 kilometers.
Akusima Roma hando gukuija oguwakweta express tuguhura gule Entebbe na hanu Hoima genda Kampala guli mu program bajagu
in this area.
Kandi buja kendezo muijuzo omukika rokinu.
Your Excellency, this is not going to be a campaign for you in Hoima. It is just getting an appreciation from the people of Hoima.
Agambire kandi tugenda kuba campaign baitu kuli kusima awe birunga wekitinisa President atukoleire omubunyoro kandi no Hoima City na Hoima District.
Your Excellency, because of your gospel that you speak about NRM, we have one of the flag bearers of NOP who is standing in Bugaya County and is stepping down because of love for the party.
Agambira ro wa NOP ayesimba awe MP mu Hoima District oko achwire mugamba ebi abirekere.
He has changed today from NOP to NRM.
Kiro kinu arugire mu NOP agarugire mu NRM.
He was signing for a member of parliament.
Abara yesimbire habwa kubagenda member wa parliament omukika rekyo.
Your Excellency, I will request you to take a picture with him.
Akusaba wekitinisa President aterwe kisani nawe.
And the women here would also love a picture.
Na bakyala na wakwenda kuterwe kisani nawe wekitinisa President
Just tell the
nakyakusabire.
people that you have withdrawn.
His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nkuramukia ninkutabarukia webale kuija Bunyoro ninyowe Alan Clifford Tugume ndi mwijukuru wa Kosia. Kosia was a civilian war veteran we mwalire mihogo yaye kyabasengya Kitoba Kiryangobe nabwekyo I was frustrated as a result Kyokora, but His Excellency, with your good guidance, nkusabayo a one-on-one meeting, nkyole nkugambire bikiraho bentasa kubaza hano. Ndibasiroho na mama wange, and later on we can meet you with my team.
Omukuru ahindukira ono.
NRM oye! NRM oye! Your Excellency, I want to request you to come and address your people.
Asabira wekitinisa President.
NRM oye! President Museveni oye! Raise your flags as you receive the president. Raise your flags.
Mwereze bendera tubire Museveni. Museveni oye.
Raise your flags for all the gains we have got in Bunyoro.
Museveni oye. Akaruru, akaruru. Akaruru ka Museveni.
Abahoy Murukurungi, Vice Chairperson wa NRM, Umchara, Kan Speaker, Right Honorable Prime Minister, Secretary General, Awe Mazabandi Bona, Nini Wema, abantu ba Hoima, Babunyoro, mwebale kujja bayingi muti, mwebale muno. Ati nzire hano nabembeza abandi okubanjulira engenderwaho ya NRM mwaka 2026 2031. Engenderwaho ejo erimu amatafari musanju NRM getera hangi ya Uganda mu myaka 40 ehingwire. Itafari okubanza obusinge eri abantu bona barubarazeho ni barumanya. Itafari ya kabiri enkurakurana eno embaju ibiri obajumu emisingi ebyentahya uzungudo amasanyarazi esimu amaizi egari y'omwika internet okukira muno ebyo aho nimurora ababunyoro mushobora kukebera nimurora ebikozerwe mu kiti ekyo engudo amasanyarazi babarizeho n'omufayiro hano nindorora twine bwire kubira mu mbyona amasumu mwene mwine amasumu buli omwe ine esimu ati amasanyarazi gashikire ha district zona za Uganda kandi tutandikire kugenda hamagomborowa engudo nimuzorowa ata abayu wa social infrastructure urwaje rundi urwenkurakurana niyo emisingi yenyikara y'abantu social infrastructure amasomero amarwariro nabibyona biri hano mufayiro hano isaha zigendere tugenda kutukwata tinshobora kubera mbyona betu katurore nka marwariro amasomero ga government aga primary district civil district na city gari tena na musanju amasomero ga secondary gari 12 no 11 kandi umyaka yankaga na gumu ubutabire bunabere nintare nkabanyina abana bengi bakuruga Bunyoro mateka seje nkamine ntare akari ndivyo mmoja bakana mwita irumba sinchamurora akari foreign affairs bonabo bakabari ntare habwaki abako mukasumi yako amasomero ga A-level mu Uganda yona agabodo kabaga lya satu Kisubi Budo Ntare agabashiki na Magunga na Bingo Gayaza betatu norora ikiweka kimu cha Bunyoro kyonka ate kikweta Hoima district na city bena amasomero ga secondary 11 kandi menga harugwa ni A-level na wuce tugeze iyo wanu waira ni dolo rugendo rukoto orutugezere abya abonezi n'ibintu ndoro hano Ndoro hano hariho Health Center 4M Umuhima district Health Center isatu Mwenda konka rama gombora 5 Agataina Muhima district atentegeka ya mawaraho ago Eri Kigorobia Health Center 4 tugenda kujifora district hospital Buseruka Health Center 3 bagenda kujikuza Nubugaya Efoke Health Center 4 bagenda kuimucha Kisabagwa Health Center 2 Chabigandire Health Center 3 bagenda kuimucha Health Center 2 Kijanga ukuba Health Center 3 bagenda kuombeka marwaro mahiaka ga Health Center 3 Bombo Kigorobia na Kijongo ate bibyona bili mukiti Chenkurakurana mbientahya nunde yikara y'abantu biti itwe aba NRM ukwiha myaka yenkaga tutufugira muyeru ukuga to get diverted ukugira ngo entunguka Inguto ya korasi nindara har korasi nikiro nindara har korasi nikiro kanintaho mungi yange atkun kubandu munaku mungi yange korasi ya heru ningasaki ataho nuto atereho ekinde kigambo obuguda kigambo kikulu muno Enkurakurana, engudo, amasanyalazi, amarwaro, amasomero, ebintu byatwena. Betu ekyange nobuguda makagange. Nka umuntu, nka family, nka company. Ate njiri tukekana tugitereza myaka yenkaga. Gavumenti engire twajugumizamo enkurakurana rero bete kinte kikushika hambere gwo muntu nobuguda umakage atombo koma kwa chenda na mkaga twawaletera 4 acres model twagamba ile amataka matoito mureke kukorera enda yonka mukorera enda nisaba kandi mukoresha ikibaro ukoresha ikibaro nuko korera ibintu byokusobora kukorera hafunze ukahamu kikoto ati twagamba ati nyoka bare ikibaro nabagambira nti nyo mukorera kwange nacyandika muhandike utemumwani ika ya kabiri utekemo bijuma ika ya kasatu utekemo ibinasi bitezo mu cyuju ika ya kana utekemo ibyukuri byahaka ekanyuma amawulire nkoko empunu abatali basiraamu abarahine ebisaaru ebiryo bibyenyanja hata abantu baitu bongereho koko chairman Jaberi nabaza koko nayo ine kibaro kingi hamwe n'ibinazi nabyo babongereho kibaro mu kirungi na wichi ebimwenda iyo uitaka twito kuno salamu cyakora hari abantu abahuriro kuhabura kwetu babikora umusigazi wanyu w'itwaro bya mukama nicyo korora katore bya rukora bya mukama
Kamai demonstration farm. My name is Fred Mukama. I'm a member of parliament of Bugangezi West constituency, Kabwe district. We are now at our 4-acre demonstration farm. The land we have here is approximately 4 acres. This is a farm we started 2 years back here, 2.5 years back. And on this farm, we have a half acre of pineapple, 6 cows for zero grazing. We have poultry, about 25,000 birds, but only 11,000 are giving us eggs. And we have 1 acre of grass. We have piggery, those are very many, and 1 acre of coffee mixed with banana. Where we are, this is the 4-acre model farm. I did this activity to teach my voters, lead by example, so that my voters can learn what media the president tells the public. This is an initiative I learned from the president sometime back when he sent me to learn to Kaumu, to Kisozi. I copied what I copied, this is what I came up with. And you see as we move on that side, this side, that's my 4-acre model farm. The house as well. You don't sleep here, but if I will sleep here, the house as well is seated on this 4-acre model farm. When you look at poultry, out of the 25,000 birds, it's only 11,000 giving me eggs. Others soon giving me, and I get 302 trays per day minimally, because 11,000 birds are supposed to give me 366 trays. But because of the feeding method of deep litter to the eggs, I get 302 trays per day minimally. Then I sell in a month, you can get a net profit of 55 million. Because you get 108 million, but you can't get all that. You have to buy feeds, pay workers, pay electricity. Remain with 55 million net pay. When you get...
Hati habuwile, tukija kukura wakaiso wa biamkama buona, bitu mrozile biakozile muhikazi ina. Umwani, ebijuma, ente za mata, musanju, empunu, ezo takuzitunda na gavera busa abantu be. Aro n'enkoko za mahuri. Ate kibaro kinkwasire mu kimwe cyonka tinkwasire byona. Bete enkoko za mahuri burunaku naturukya trays bisatu na ibiri. Umwezi na hamu milioni 18. Kwa kuyewe sente za kukozesa asigaza milioni 505 amagoba buri mwezi mu nkoko amahoro gonka ezo ni milioni rusanju takaterezo omwani takaterezo ente amata takaterezo ebijuma takaterezo ebitoke ebimurozere hali harona musejo ndijo irumba mamwete irumba arahanu umumwahi katore bi irumba mamwete irumba musejo garona
Banyeta David Irumba, mukamwa Haywood Group Limited Farm Poultry Farm, to Bahamuna Mukiara wange Kebigisha Alpha, farm entu kakitandika 2018 n'enkoko mtwalo gumu. Baita tujikulize mpora mpora twagikya enkoko emitwalo 5. Tulina enterprises 3 hano eya poultry, enkoko, omwani n'embuzi. Baitu tukira muno kusentalinga ha nkoko, enkoko zikutukya tray 6 buli kilo. Tray 6 ezo average tukuzitunda milioni 6 buli kilo, kandi tukusobola kukola amagoba ga milioni 6 buli mwezi. Kandi emwani tukayamu milioni 25 omwaka guno. Embuzi nazo tukuzina kuzihamu emitwaro milioni 25. Tukwembulenga abakozi 50 omunkoko 50, abandi bali omumwani, abandi ba driver, abasirikale n'abantu bandi abakutukora ebintu ebindi omuchumbi n'abandi. Tukusasura emitwaro ekusembayo ku mitwaro 25 nizo zikusembayo, abandi bala iguruho.
Nyesima muno mukama wange kuyamba abasigazi kuba emirimu.
Mulire ekibalo kya Irumba, enkoko za mahuri, omwani n'embuzi. Beto omunkoko zonka natunga milioni 6 buli lunaku. Atakeireho zarukozesa. Numurara abakozi bakozesa. Aro omusajja ndijo wakamuli na wakamboleke.
Nze Basangwa Johnson, Managing Director wa Jeka Poultry Farm. Jeka Poultry Farm eyaganibwa Bukwenge, Kamuli Municipality, Kamuli District. Mu 2007 twatandika obulunzi nga tutandikira mu Kamuli Town Council by then mu plot yali 50 feet by 100 feet. Ezo futi 5 ku 10 eda itaka. Tutandika tutya twali nga tulina ebyobufuzi wano mu Kamuli nga waliwo ensonga nga chairman wero C5 omugenzi Kawuga bamwidukira Katonda mu ekyumulo eky'emirembe nga bamutoyiremu abantu banja abatamu application nga bali kwenda okufuuka ba chairman ba 5. Aye president yaida yatulungamya yakoba atubana abantu mwena timusobola kuba ba chairman ba 5. Aye abantu mujje mukola emirimu egindi ng'okulunda yayogera kulunda embidi okulunda enkoko byonna yabyogera. Nze napikinga mu kyokulunda enkoko natandika farm mu 2007 n'enkoko 5. Sawa dino wendogerera ku farm kuno kize mabega ntambwire. President yaida yankyalira mu 2010 nga nina enkoko 5,000 yasanuka ino. Sawa dino tutambwire tulina enkoko mitwalo 10 tufulumya amagi etwe 2,000 buli lunaku. Etwe 2,000 divamu milioni 2 buli lunaku. Omwezi diba milioni 6. Omwaka tuba tuli mu bilioni ze 6 n'ekitundu.
Atogo omusigazi nkagendayo mwaka 2007 bakabana barwanira obwa LC5. Benja basigazi barwande ekikaro ekyo. Nyo nabagambira nti nimusiso obwire. LC5 ekikaro kyo muntu omu. Inyina murafuka LC5. Abunje mutakore ibindi. Ebinko bagamba nka hati nabagambira nke ebinko bagambira hati. Obunkani bagambira biri musanju. Omwani n'ebindi. We hamwe enkoko. Ati burunaku naturicha trays 2,000 za mahuri. Ne ham milioni 20 buri lunaku. Nzo milioni 6 omwezi. Bilioni musanji ne milioni 2,000 omwaka. Na bwecho enjiri yitu yobuguda nitafari rukoto lya kasatu ina rimwe lietera hari Uganda. Abahurire enjiri ejo bagenze bari kurungi kandi bayamba Uganda nayo kuba kurungi. Hikina neza abantu abitaka rutoito betoko onitaka rikoto nokore bindi chai ebichori ebikoijo katurere abachai dora abachai chai no tunga katoito bulika betkor kuba oni hika 10 milioni abirinaina za chai korkuba oni hika 10 milioni 280 korkuba oni hika rukumi no tunga bilioni 2 na milioni bina na bwecho rusobora kutunga sente kuko no korora hakoto wakora bingi nubora na tunga kache buri mwaka bitu noja ganyurwa noro nawo utaka eritoito nembazi itakusana uitaka erkoto aino mbazugwe uitaka erufunda aino mbazugwe hati hano mu Uganda tutungire ubuguda byaka ubwa majuta ati mpurira abatakumanye cyo gukora batandikira kubuzabuza abantu baitu amajuta tubakubaza kindi bari amajuta kintu kikuru baitu amajuta getaga hano agutuzire bahati bilioni mukaga nechweka hata agutwamizi ntubasa kuja kuongeraho agandi abo kuba gani bilioni mukaga nechweka gari mu 40% ya Albertine Valley achayo 60% ntuseruza kandi hariho ebicweke bindi Lake George, Lake Edward, Karamoja, Chenkwanzi area Kiboga, hariyo provinces zindi za majuta ntusobora kutunga majuta gandi beitu nobuta kutunga majuta gandi ijo kaboreka ensi obuguda bwensi ensi nyingi zitene majuta zitene bimuitaka nguda muno Japan ino buguda bwingi okusinga Saudi Arabia bena majuta Japan ina abantu abakozesa omutwe gwabo nibo buguda bwabo South Korea ina abantu abakozesa omutwe nosanga akasika toito nka Holland GDP yako ni nkoto kuchire ya Saudi Arabia amagezi gabo gari mu makorero na agriculture ente na amata na bwecho mureke kubuzabuza abantu baitu amajuta bigeja kutukonyera habo kwa amajuta ne kintu ekikusobora kufaho abo kwa nkagana ga hano akutine bilioni mukaga nigeje kamari myaka 20 nigahwamo tutatunga gandi ntuyongereyo mwiso betaga majuta na tuino gakozesa gatungire ebirukikaraho haro kensi ibakweta Norway ekatunga magita gatari mengi muno umunyanje uko esente zihiremu yaziteka mu kibakweta heritage fund, a certain fund, heritage fund or something like that. Eje sente hizo sovereign fund. Eje sente nizara amagoba. Sente sigaraho amagoba nugoba hamba bakozesa. Amagoba bakozesa. Na bwecho abagonza tuliye sente tuliye nanye mpaho ndi okuriye sente zone za magita agarukwaho ntujya kufoka kese zinde za Afrika muzhurire zina majuta kuko zine bizubu bindi muno aboka magita tibaraga kolise kurundi amajuta ekintu kirukwaho weha musente mwaisasole misara mwagura whisky kuruga buraya na masoke gabafu amajuta gafoka wali abanyoro ishoke nbariyataki ishoke heya bariyete ishoke baisoke bari mu abantu baisoke ukurete amashoke gabafu mukatwara oiro mukareta amashoke gabafu ebi nyeti tinkusobora kubisagika tuyino kukozesa amajuta gano agarukwaho gatukorere ebintu bikija kubaho kusigaraho ntujya kubibaza byona hamwe ate byona birahabuguda bita amajuta ngeja kutukonyera okukora emirimo egimu mu bwangu aho kabine bitwakozere byengutu nebindi tukakora mu kutarabaniza muno abo katwatene sente bitwabikora numurora ebitukozere de sente za amajuta bushardu mo ate ni tafari ya kasatu obuguda betaro itafari ya kana emirimo ekyo nakyo nikitarabaniza abantu abatakumanya cyo gukora emirimo nesangibwa nkaha aho muri bagamba ngo emirimo nesangibwa mu government emirimo ya government yona hamu ni mirimo emitwaro 48 turubantu obukekuru 50 haki eje mirimo tekusobora kutumara bete mirimo kamborike yerukuruga katorere basangwa tubiri tumtandikire kurore byakubaza
mukaga nekitundu etwatupasi kuingiza so tuuliriso omulamu gwa president okuba kiseera ekyo kakati tukigire president abaire musanafuino ku bintu byenkoze era nga buli kaseera nkyekingako wendogera kati tulina abakozi ebikumi bisatu betukozesa kati muhulire basangwa emyaka 17 akaba ali musajja munaku akaba ine ka plot ntamu yakamuli kafuta 5 ali 10 nuwo gudaboka bakani barwanira umurimo gwa C5 kuna bahera magezi yabergaho yagenda mu nkoko za mahuri atusajja muguda bito buguda bwabasangwa buzeire emirimo 13 y'abanyarwanda bandi muroze irumba hari ogwa hanu hoima nakozesa abantu 50 awecho buguda nubo burukuzara emirimo katorora amakorero ejo tauni kake jinkora tauni mshaka erehe na mbale wajeta mbali industrial park tauni amakorero gonka tauni zete zeira nkahoi mahanu zikazile tauni obuduka burukutunde uzi sabuni ekisura vaseline ubuntu nkobo bete tawoni za enale mati stantire kumbeka empiaka zinyine za makoro gonka eje ambare ina makoro 75 atayi muri ikoro mororo abana bakoramu dora abana bakoromu dore namba y'abana nabwecho amakorero amahoteli boda abana bekozesa boda transport nibyo bikuzara emirimo obuguda bw'abantu buguda bwa family
obugula bwa company nubo burikuzara emirimu ati namambe katole namambe industrial park namambe ekyo kika kiri kibira ibaino banage emirambo ya Idi Amin ati kafoka town mpyaka erimu amakorero 273 nekozesa abana emitwarena n'enkumina nabwekyo abahoyima na Bunyoro mukire kusaba industrial park aro industrial park ya Kawarega ejo orubajuru muntu kutamu ebyamajuta amajuta fertilizer bihebi kutana amajuta plastics nebindi bitukali tunokutunga industrial park erukoragana nebyokulya abokuba ebya chemicals tubisebere okupangana nebyokulya by'abantu hata abana betu abajukuru tubagonza kukora agriculture tubagonza kupata mutaka usange nono zona za hile zone nono zishikire kuri tushobora kupata mutaka hata abana tabagamba ati ebyokwata mutaka kuma nivetarubaniza mubireke mukore ebyo mikono nebyo mutwe natandika industrial hubs skill hubs abana banga bahana balinka mwije bwangu umoja mu mishiba baho bwa kaiso mureke kubaza bingi cyakwire mu somero nenki ukasoma skill ki atumokora ki amabaragawo
White President amabaragange ninyowe Alan Sime kuruga Hoima District Omtoba Sub County. White President nyowe kusoma kwange nkakanga msiniya y'omukaga baitu alinya kange msiniya y'omukaga akasente kabura nyagaruka omukanya tandika kulima nyaswero omukazi indo mu mbeera nzibu nyagamba nyo ruhanga wange nkakoraki baitu nkaba ninkyalaho nyahura nti masindaho hali esomero y'omwebembezi w'ihanga Uwekitinisa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni iyalesere ibakweta Bunyoro Zono Presidential Industrial Hub Masindao omnyaikiroko nkatunga omugisa gwokusoma welding and metal fabrication kandi omnyaikiroko buli kimu kyone kyasangiriweeyo kikaba kyabusa nkagenda n'obusuuka bwange baitu omuntu ayantwaire gali mazima akabukyoza ebitabu ebyokulya ovulozo okoleramu na skilling yona byona bikaba byabusa kityonu hanyuma y'emyezi 6 nkakwasibwa certificate yange nyagaruka Hoima nkaikamu omunywani wange Kisembo Diuke nakoleraho Duhaga nyatandika kuchapa twakora omulimo omnyare izingira akasente nyateeka workshop yange kandi ali nkubaliza bwire bunu nyine yabo jo babiri abankola nabo abankwaye empeera kityonu bwire bunu abanyahoima city na Hoima district nkusima Uwekitinisa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni na muno buli abana abantu bandize obundi bagamba go butukurugayo titwina akakapito baito Uwekitinisa president ukusima habo kutungira ka toolbox bwire bune milioni 50 paidu account zero ezokuyamba ba graduates kuruga mu Bunyoro Zono Industrial Hub kityono mrundo gundi ngonzo kusima ngonzo kusaba abayusi nyakyange abazeyi abakaikuru n'abantu enywe nabo Bunyoro bayira abatugondo molere president waitu his excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obululu White President omnyarugiroko nkesimba wakikaro kyobwa kansala obwomuruka kandi ali nkubaliza ninyofulaga Beyara Budaka Parisi kugende Toba Sub County mwebale muno
nokozesa abantu banga nokozesa abana banga
nyina abantu babiri sofa.
Very good. Ibara yawe
amabara Tusime Alan, Hoima District.
Musime
Tusime Alan Coast Welding.
Tusime Alan hata aina mwuga aina obukugu bumuhero obuguda nawatangiye kozesa abantu babiri nawe.
Amabara Nyangoma Zara Ndugire Mpalo Hoima City. Nkakanga musini ya 4. Bunyakange musini ya 4 esente zabura. Ate sente zabuzire nyaikarawo nintoze emirimo nebura. Nyonya ulire omuranga nti President waitu ateireyo Bunyoro Zono Industrial Hub. Nyagenda nasoma tailoring. Bunyarugira Bunyoro Hub nkawantaina capital. Nafuna omukisa gugenda mutirenga project kubazira ovuro. Nabazira ovuro kumala myezi 6. Bunyarugire yo nyaja nyapange byange. Ati nyina abakozi babiri nsevinga buli mwezi mitwaro 12 abakozi mbahereza mitwaro 10 buli mwezi nyine byalani bibiri ekya masanyarazi nekya manuo. Aho niyo kusimira President waitu owa Uganda nisawa abantu nywena tumuwakaruru.
Kale Nyangoma hati aina umwoga guzere obuguda bw'ebiharani bibiri kandi nakozesa nawe abakozi babiri. Hati twena NRM yabasaba nti buli muntu wena arole ngwene ekyobuguda ekyali kukora ekyokulima n'okulisa n'okujuba n'okusoha ekya skills ebyemikono manufacturing amakorero services obuhereza hoteli bodaboda ebyemizano okwesongera okuzina ebyo byona musobola kukola okwihamu obugaiga. Nawe ekyo lizoba mbalize habintu amatafarana obusinge enkurakurana obuguda ntuja kutunga ekisana abana ntuja kutunga ekisana hanyuma obusinge obuguda obusinge enkurakurana obuguda hamwe n'emirimu hasigere amatafara 3 inja gawaza nyencha aha press conference nurecha aba Hoima aba Bunyoro tukonto basaba tumusagike NRM nabokuba ene byekozere ebirukurebe abantu bakorora kandi nije no kukora ibindi bitakakozurwe ene busobozi. NRM oye omgurusu wenkofira oye Hoima oye Bunyoro oye Uganda oye East Africa oye mubale muno katugende kwasa abantu bendera.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for the words of wisdom and encouragement. Your Excellency, we have 2 sets, Hoima City and Hoima District. I will start with Hoima City. Hoima West, the flag bearer is Honorable Bachire Donald Bategeka. Bachire Bategeka Donald for Hoima West.
Mumuha amani, mumuhubire bendera. Bategeka oye! NRM oye! Mumuhubire bendera!
Thank you. Next will be the woman member of parliament for the city, Honorable Diana Mugenyi.
Nangwa abachala mwena kalulu ka Diana Kalinka. Ago na mani ga President Museveni na NRM. Muongera kalulu abachala mwena. NRM oye! Museveni oye!
Thank you. Next, Your Excellency, is Hoima East. We have Honorable Byakutaga Jonah.
Akaluru ka Jonah. Hoima oye! Jonah oye! Museveni oye! Anita Mongo oye!
Next, Your Excellency, we have the Mayor, Hoima City, Honorable Brian Kaboyo.
Akaruru ka Kaboyo Brian Kalinka. Azwire kurungi ali muyero. NRM oye! President Museveni oye!
Hoima District Flag Bearers, Honorable Wembabazi Beatrice, District Woman Member of Parliament, Hoima District Flag Bearer.
Akalulu ka Beatrice Kalinka ya bachala mwena. Beatrice oye! NRM juu! Museveni juu! Uganda juu!
Next, Your Excellency, we have Honorable Wakabi Pius, Flag Bearer for Bugahia County Constituency.
Akalulu ka Wakabi Pius Kalinka. NRM oye! Museveni oye! Mwebale muno.
Next, Your Excellency, thank you, Pius. Thank you, thank you. Next, Your Excellency, we have Dr. Kasigwa Gerald for Chigorobia County Constituency.
Gerard Ngugwa Karuru Kalinka. Gerard oye! NRM oye! Amanika Museveni Kalinka.
Now we have the LOC5, the man himself, Savannah Vincent, Chairperson LOC5, Hoima District.
Savannah oye! Museveni oye! NRM juu! Mwebale muno.
We have the National Female Youth, Member of Parliament, if you are here, Honorable Diana Akampa.
Diana Akaruru Ngugwe, Diana Female Youth, eminyeto mwena mumutere ngaro. Ebyo bikaba bitaliwo, ebyo tubirozire mu government ya President Museveni ya NRM.
And we have Your Excellency, Honorable Mwine Tumwebaze, Youth MP Flag Bearer for Western Region.
Ati abakugira mbu NRM tayina byekozire oguya naza kutwekera eminyeto. Akaruru ka Mwine Kalinkai. Okay.
Your Excellency, we shall request you to have photo with the flag bearers. And I will also request Your Excellency for Betty with the Women League, and then Tugume with the NUP converts. The photo opportunities, Your Excellency, with the flag bearers. The flag bearers, there's a photo moment now. Then the graduates of the skilling hub will follow. The graduates, could you start moving? We don't have a lot of time. And those who stood down. I would also request those who stood down after primaries to get ready. Those who stepped down, including Mr. Tugume, the noob convert, and your dear mother.
Hata muna bana ba muzeyi NRM oye, skilling hub oye, NRM juu.
The converts, please. Could you also move with the 53 converts from NUP and other political parties? Betty and your Women League, I don't see you nearby here. Your Excellency, Honorable Abono Quil, in charge of this region, is around. He has been with us here. I just want to recognize Honorable Major Waboni Okwil. Thank you very much for coming. And ladies and gentlemen, these are noob converts. People who had been betrayed. Their conscience was betrayed. They were shouting what they don't know. They're now seeing the light. We have a president of peace and stability, president of economic development. In Historia, we actually describe presidents. They are those presidents we call dictators. They are presidents of gambling. Ours is president of peace, stability, and economic development.
Yalina gamba president witu ni president wobusinge nicho kurora abana aba bahabire bajiro munup ati mbao bagarukomuka president yabatangirira nemikono leka tere president Museveni ngalo za amani naba bana tubasime okugarukomuka kandi NRM ne bakira ne yakira buri omwe.
The NRM who actually stepped down for the others want that recognition. So if you are there, please, could you move forward for a photo moment? The Women League, the Women League, the Women the Women, Betty, and the Women League, of course, the National Women League chairperson is there. You're very smart. Thank you for being very smart. And that's what NRM represents.
Abachala akaruka Museveni, oh Museveni oye! A Women League oye! Thank you so much, and you're very smart. Mulebe kirikurungi.
There's LC1 chairperson who has been trotting the glove. Where's Chairman LOC1 Mutegeki, who has been disturbing this area, trotting from one political party to the other? Now you've finally gone to the political party of stability. Where are you? We want to recognize you. Where's he? Oh, the LOC1 chairman. Yes, Your Excellency, the LOC1 chairman in white has been a headache here, but now he has seen the light. And we now thank him for joining the party of stability, peace, and development.
Mwebare eminyeto okugaruka omuka omukibine kirungi cha NRM abo nabana bitu kandi nsima ruhanga kureba mu president aino mutima mulungi president abore kire factor lanuya kurugana manve amini nyabe nanaka abantu abayemba mahakanisa bakubita bakabanagayo ati ababojo kuri tuntigira mu government ziriye za kara ati ababona kuri bafu konka president Museveni abo mutima murungi ogwo kwakira abantu no kusasira mbabo bajomishogeje mbabo mutere president mungale abantu bawema mutere president engaro zamani abo mutima murungi ogwaine ogwo kusasira muzeyi turakunda mnonga kandi tukuraganisa 2015 akaruru na kawe.
We expect a gift from the youth. The youth have a gift for His Excellency. I hope you are ready with this gift.
Twineyo n'ebirabo nicho kirabo ekya muheru ekibakuza kwasa president abantu ba Hoima bakusima president ebintu ebyakozire omyaka 40 abanya Hoima bakuza kumukwasa ichumu na nengabo aza dina kamanyiso ichumu nokulwanisa abo abazugu abakwenda kutayiriyanga yitu lya Uganda engabo neyo kumukuma naza alyo nagikozesa okubinga obworo omumaka gitu nibwo butumo buyayinanuya president nibaza kumukwasa ichumu baeza kuteza ekishano ekyo naza kwata ichumu na nengabo muleba screens abarahara muleba screen president ekyakuza kukora ama screen ago mulole aha ngugwe bamukwasa ichumu President Museveni akiki aliyo naza kuturwanira ngugwe aliyo naza kurwana n'abayekera narwana aine ichumu yaza kurira cyero mwanya ngugwe sabarwanyi yatambura obugaro bwa Museveni boja china amani Museveni aye
Nehi